Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus. Third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. Already 5 exercises I have completed. This is the 6th exercise. This is different from the previous one. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Here in this 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Then 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. In the previous exercise, in the denominator, we won't be having a variable. Here, in this sum, we are having variables in the denominator. So, if we have variables in the denominator, it is difficult for us to solve. So, that we have to simplify and make it as a pair of linear equation. So, in this 1 by x and 1 by y, we will take it as some other variable. Substitute that in the given equation, solve that. Then after finding those two values for the variables, we will find the value of x and y. In two steps, we are going to do the first one. With we are going to give some other variable for 1 by x and 1 by y. We will solve that. Find the value of those variables, then we will find the value of x and y. So, in this one, we will take, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Okay, so 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So, in this, if we are taking 1 by x as a, that is 1 by 2x we are having. In this 1 by x we are taking it as a. So 1 by x is equal to a. So a we will be replacing in the place of 1 by x, and in the denominator we will be having 2 as it is. Okay, so we will get, for the given equation we will get a by 2. Instead of 1 by x, we are substituting a. So, we will get a by 2 plus b by 3. Here we are having 3. So, 1 by 3y. So, this 1 by y, we will take it as b by 3. The denominator 3, we will be having it as it is. So, a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2. The same way, this one also. A by 3. Here 1 by 3x is there. So, a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13x. So, now we are having the variables in the numerator. In the denominator, only numbers are there. Only constants are there. So, that we will simplify using LCM. Okay. So this one is 2 and 3. For this 2 and 3, LCM is 6. So, 2 3s are 6, we will get the numerator 3a plus 3 into 2 is 6. So, 2b is equal to 2. So, we will get 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 2s are 12. So, this is the first equation. This is equation 1. Same way the other one also. LCM is 6 for this. So, it will be 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 by 6. So, in this denominator we are having 6. Anyhow, if we cross multiply the 6 on both the sides, we can cancel that 6. So, the 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So, we will get 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. So, this is our second equation. Okay, so now we will solve these two equations by any one of the method. We have elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. Using any one of the method, we will find the value of a and b. So, first equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12, and second equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Okay, so now I will multiply this first equation by 3 and second equation by 2, so that I can able to eliminate this b. So 3 2s are 6, here also 3 2s are 6 I will get. So my equation will be 3 3s are 9a plus 6b is equal to 36. Then second equation, 4a plus 6b is equal to 13 2s are 26. So now if I subtract both these equations, this b will get eliminated. So I will get 5a is equal to 36 minus 26 is 10. So I get a is equal to 10 by 5. So that is equal to 2. So a value I got it as 2. So this I will substitute it in the first equation. So my first equation is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. So now I got a is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2b is equal to 12. So 2b is equal to 12 minus 3 2s are 6. So 2b is equal to 6. So b is equal to 3. So now I got a value and b value. But the question I was asked to find the value of x and y. So I have taken, for my convenience, I have taken 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a. That means 1 by x is equal to 2. A I got it as 2. Okay, so my x value will be, when I cross multiply this, 1 is equal to 2x I will get. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So my x value is 1 by 2. Same way y also. 1 by y is equal to b. So 1 by y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is how it has to be solved. When we have the variables in the denominator, we have to do like this only. We will take 1 by x and 1 by y as some other variable. Find the value of that, substitute it in that 1 by x and 1 by a, then find the value of x and y. Okay. Next sum is, second one, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Here also we will take 1 by root x as a and 1 by root y as b. Then how we did the previous sum, the same way we can do this. So here 2 by root x we have taken it as a. Sorry, 1 by root x we have taken it as a. So here we are having 2 by root x. So 1 by root x is a means, so 2 by root x is 2a. Okay, so 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So this is the first equation. Then second one is 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Okay, so first equation is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2 and second equation is 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So when I multiply this first equation by 3, this 3b will become 9b. So that can be eliminated. So first equation into 3 is 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Okay, then 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So when I eliminate this can be cancelled. So if I eliminate that, I will get 10a. 6 plus 4, 10. 10a is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. So a is equal to 5 by 10. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So this is my a value. Then substituting in the first equation, 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So in this I will substitute a value as 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. So 2 get cancelled. So 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. So 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. So 3b is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 by 3. So a value is 1 by 2 and b value is 1 by 3. So I have taken 1 by root x is equal to a. So 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. A value I got it as 1 by 2. So root x is equal to 2. But I was asked to find the value of x only. So when I find the square of this, I will get x is equal to root x means this root and 2 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 4. So I got the x value. Same way 1 by root y is equal to b. So 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. B value is 1 by 3. So root y is equal to 3. So root y the whole square is equal to root y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So my x value is 4 and my y value is 9. So with this I am completing today's class. This exercise is very important. So practice it so that you can able to do it properly. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.